In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and Binance. We'll walk through finding the official Binance website using Google, getting into your account settings, and locating the delete option. I'll keep it clear and straightforward, and I'll add helpful context so you know exactly what to expect along the way. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Binance and press Enter. You'll see a list of results. Look for the official Binance homepage result. It usually appears near the top and mentions the cryptocurrency exchange. Before you click, double-check the domain shows Binance.com and that your browser shows a secure connection. This small step helps you avoid lookalike sites. Click the official Binance result to open the homepage. Once the site loads, move your attention to the top right corner. You should see the profile icon, which typically looks like a small user avatar or a circle. If you're not signed in yet, the site may ask you to log in first. That's normal. Use your usual sign-in method, and if you have extra security set up, complete that as well. After you're in, click the profile icon to open your account menu. From there, look for the option that takes you to your account area or dashboard, and then open Settings. The Settings page is where account preferences and controls live, and this is where you can manage things like notifications, security, and privacy. Inside Settings, navigate to the Preference section and look for the Delete option. This is often labeled clearly, but sometimes it may appear as Delete Account or Close Account, depending on the interface. Clicking Delete will typically open a confirmation prompt. Read the details carefully. Deleting an account can be permanent and may affect access to services, open orders, or any promotional features tied to your profile. If you have funds, positions, or rewards, it's a good idea to resolve those ahead of time and understand any waiting periods or compliance checks that might apply. If a verification step appears, follow it as instructed. Some regions require additional confirmation for security and regulatory reasons, and you may see notices about how long the process takes or how your data is handled. That's the full path. Search for Binance on Google, open the official site, click the profile icon, go to Settings, and select Delete. Take your time with each screen and review any on-page guidance before you confirm. If something looks different from what you see here, use the site's Help Center for the latest interface notes.